Abnu Ganadi.
Louder.
Hi, my name is Abnu, and I'm here to introduce an extensive use of an ARM module, which is this is a simplest task of a robot. So I just working around it, like not doing so much technical stuff. So we could go next slide. And we know all we know, like robot is really familiar to us, and all industrial now, it's everywhere we see is a robot doing all the production and everything. But and I need to do a modification on that big scale of robot into a small scale, so it could help small businesses to do whatever they want to like in production mostly. And then next slide. And that's just a picture of build a robot in an industrial setting. And then the next slide also is gonna be like still industrial setting. And the next slide. And here's the why I try to do this program, because we in our daily life we just spend like much time and energy just do a really simple task, which is we could do so much than just that simple task. So we could go next one. And also consider about efficiency of labor cost, time, and that really simple task could be replaced easily by a robot, because we don't need to put like difficult program on the robot, because that's the like the ease for our mind, like putting excuse me, I'm a little nervous. Yeah, just practically we need to spend less time and less energy on simple tasks that we do daily life, right? So, and the next slide I have and then as a human being, sometimes when you do things over and over again, you feel like, okay, it's get tired, and so this is the inconsistent that we have, and fatigue, of course, right? So by replacing that particular task, it's just and we could do maybe a little bit some fun time for ourselves. Right? And the next slide. And okay, what I have here, actually, I don't really talk much about the design of the robot, because I think the robot itself is perfectly designed and perfectly programmed. So we all know that it's, we just need to work a little bit around that program, and we need to adjust a little bit here and there. And then the setting of the workplace, we just need to work around that. But I don't find any difficulties so far. But the only difficulty I have is just the strength of the arms. Because when you try to lift, because it's like so small, when you try to lift like little heavy stuff, the arm is like not lifting. So that's the only problem I have. And then also, as we know, a robot has could do things over and over again with detail and accuracy. So we don't have to worry about like making mistakes or something. And my design is going to be not so much of counting. It just the thing is already counted, and we need to pack them into a little tube. So it's gonna be like just pick up that stuff and then just
Factory pack.
yeah, just packing it into and that's really helpful for small business. Like let's say I work in this place where people like counting beats all the time, and I see it's like it takes too much time on that and energy. So by assign robot to do that, it's really and they could do much more, like more work on other things, like more important things, rather than just sitting there and counting. So this is my design. But I think on the robot itself, I think it's perfect. The program in the robot is there is no question about it. And then the next slide, and I just think that it is time for us to think about, like for a greater future, and not just think about the simplest thing, and then we just could do so much more with our energy. So it is time to make a robot to be part of our daily life. It is, that's what I think. So I think that's it.